Hey guys, Atan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make $50 plus per day with ClickBank fast for beginners. But first, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online and work from home opportunities and a lot more. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, so the reason why I say $50 plus is because I think it's more reasonable for someone that is getting started to make $50 plus per day instead of saying $100, $150,000 because it really is unrealistic if you've never been doing affiliate marketing. And this video is all about for beginners and how you can get started fast. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first off we need to create an account in ClickBank. We go to clickbank.com. You can see here you have to sign up, and I have already a few accounts actually in ClickBank, so I'm going straight into the marketplace here. So you go to the marketplace and you can see here ClickBank is probably the top affiliate network for digital products. Actually has thousands of products, and probably almost all niches is covered in here. So you can see here the arts and entertainment. If I just open it, there is subcategories, everything from art, fashion, photography, radio, theater. This is as seen on TV. We have betting, business, really you can see here. So if you are passionate about a niche, you should definitely have a look at it to get started with here. Now what I'm going to stick with here actually, because I want to get started to make money fast, and I know that health and fitness is the most popular, one of the most popular niches actually in here. So we hit that, and you can see here there is a lot of offers actually to promote here. You can see on the right side I make 33 and 32 if I promote flat belly fix here. Fat decimator will give me 27 and 57. And what it does here, you can sort this by popularity, average per sale, and initial dollars per sale, average, rebuild, total, rebuild, average percentage, and gravity. Basically we're going to stick with popularity and gravity. Gravity is something that ClickBank is its own metrics, and it is based on probably most affiliates and the most popular, which is good. It means that this is probably one of the best selling products in fitness niche right now. So it has its good, it has its bad. Okay, the good thing is we know that this product sells. The bad could be actually that there is too much competition. So it's not always that we want to go for the top one. So I would go a little bit lower here, and this is a perfect example. The red tea detox, I know that this has been selling a lot, and you get $31.93 here if you make a sale, but you can actually make more. And if you see these symbols here, we have recurring billing, which is good. Means that you can make a recurring income if someone sticks around with it. And there is probably some upsells here also, so it doesn't mean that you only make $31.93. So we want to check out and see what this is all about. Okay, first this is actually the website. We can have a look at it. This is a video sales letter you have to fill in here, and so we want to have a quick look to see how this website looks. But we are more interested in this affiliate page, and let's have it opened to see what this is all about. So here is a lot of information here. Okay, $100 plus $100 cash bonus to all new affiliates. That was cool. Converts with cold plus warm traffic. This is definitely good. We want the cold traffic. $200 plus per sale to be earned. Okay, there you have it, what I mentioned before. Monthly cash and prize giveaways. So click here to get started. Before we click here, you can actually scroll down the page here and see a little bit further. Now if I click here, they obviously want me to sign up, and you should do that. Okay, you should do it because you will get tools, you will get promo material, and you're probably going to get I know that this team here, they are super organized, so you will probably get email swipes, banners, articles, and they will all help. Okay, because it means that we will get to know the product much better, so we do know how to hit that from different angles. Okay, so what you're going to do is let's close the sales page here, and we're going to grab the link here. Okay, now you can have a tracking ID, so depending on where you're going to use your link, you can use a tracking link so you know where your sales coming from, and you want to have that. Okay, so I suggest for every page that you're going to upload this link, you should have a separate link there. Okay, so you can name it YT1 if it was for YouTube, for example. If it is for forum, for one, and just open up an Excel spreadsheet. Forum 1 means that forum, etc. Okay, create that link, grab it, and we don't want to have this ugly link. So what we're going to do is we're going to bit.ly.com. It is free to set up, to create an account here, and all you have to do is you click on the create, you paste that long link, and you can either have this kind of link, or you can actually try to rename it. Now if we do detox only, it will probably be taken. Okay, so it won't allow us because there is a lot of people who's using Bitly. So be a little bit creative here. Or detox, for example, 34, I don't know, something like this. Okay, or detox or best. Okay, so let's see if this is available, and it was available. Great, now we can have that link, we copy it, let's just test it. Perfect, and it works. Great. Next thing that we were going to do is we're going to Google, and we know that this is a weight loss product. Okay, we have done our research, we know it is about diet, so we are going to type in weight loss forums, and you can see here we have the first one here. We have to do a little bit research here. Okay, so you can see the related to weight loss forums is weight loss discussion, and another keyword would be definitely diet forums, the official fast diet forum, etc. So forum discussion, you can see here as well, weightlossfitness.com. And if you go to the first one here, you can see here we have 14,000 threads, over 60,000 messages just for newcomers, which means that this is a popular forum. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to register an account here, and depending on the forum, they will allow you to have a link in your profile. Some actually want you to post a little bit first to not look so spammy, so go ahead and do that. But what you have to do is you have to participate in the forums. And actually what you're going to do, you're going to be in those forums because people are asking questions. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can see anything right now, but eating before bed but having a smaller breakfast. You see there is a question here, so she has something that she wants to ask. Okay, I have never been in this forum, but I can only take a guess here if I open here that she's going to, he or she, I'm sorry, Recently I'm feeling quite peckish before bed, therefore I eat a piece of toast before I snooze at around 1:30 when I wake up, okay? Could this plan prevent weight gain? Now, what you have to do actually, you have to go in and answer and provide value. What I would suggest you to do here is, this is a good tip, eat earlier, and I actually had one red tea before I went to bed. One quick example, I just came up with it right away now, okay? Be creative. And if they allow you to have your link, it will show up probably here below. Now I'm not registered here, so I don't know. But you can actually, I hope you get the point here. So trying to provide value, or if they ask, they might ask, do you have, for example, what kind of a red tea do you mean? What are you talking about? Yeah, the red tea detox or something like that. Or PM me and I will send you details. And when they private message you, then you can of course go ahead and promote that link, okay? Without being too spammy, because if you promote right away, get the red detox here, this is my, and click here or something like that, probably they won't do it and you will be kicked out of the forum, okay? So I hope you get the point here. And this works, it still works. So all you have to do is actually spend 1-2 hours per day, go in, look for where they asking questions. Everything has probably already been answered, so search around, copy the question in Google, and you will get some creative idea on how to answer actually. So you don't have to be an expert in answering, okay? And you will continue to create, of course, in another forums as well. Let's see here. I don't know. Haven't been in those forums for ages, but you can see there is tons of forums to get in and participate in. I know people who do much more than $50 per day by just doing this. Okay, it sounds boring, but you have to be. You have to create a habit, be there on a consistent basis, and I promise you that you will be the expert that is there and answering, and they will trust you, and you have your link there, okay? So that is one way actually. Another way could be to do a review about the red detox review, I'm sorry. There you see, boom. And I can tell you right away that this is an actor that I hired from freelance source. So I will give you this idea here. You can go to Fiverr if you don't want to post your own face there. And just type, you can type in review. You could actually do video. Let's do video review because we want to have video review. And there you have it. You see this guy, he's unboxing your product. He's doing a review for you. And I think that she will do a much better job for the red detox. So
nothing gives a buyer more confidence or says, buy me, better than a professional review of your product or service.
Okay, so she's perfect, okay? And you will have to create a script for her, 50-word script for $9.23, it says in euros, but it is for $10. And there you have your video. The next thing you will have to upload it and of course drive traffic. But this is definitely a better way if you don't want to be in front of the camera there, because she builds trust. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how to make $50 plus per day with ClickBank fast for beginners. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and most importantly, there is a link below in the description where you can find my #1 recommendation for how to make money online. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.